तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम करता हूँ मैं आपको मेरे चैनल पे। और आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं एमसीक्यू ऑन ऑसिलेशंस। पिछली वीडियो में भी हम लोग ने एमसीक्यू ऑन ऑसिलेशंस देखे थे, लेकिन ये थोड़ा अलग है क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही एमसीक्यू ढूंढ रहा था तो मेरे को एक पीडीएफ फाइल मिल गया। तो मैंने पीडीएफ फाइल का आंसर्स निकाला और वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अभी। तो चालू करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। और इसमें जो ग्रीन लाइन दिख रही है आपको वो उसके आंसर्स है, ठीक है। चालू करते हैं। फर्स्ट वन, in an LC transistor oscillator, the active device is C transistor. Second, in an LC oscillator, the frequency of oscillator is dash L or C. Answer is D, inversely proportional to the square root of. Third, oscillators may employ positive feedback. Fourth, one of the following oscillator types provides externally stable output frequency. Answer is crystal oscillator. Fifth, an LC oscillator can be used to produce dash frequencies very low. So sixth, a Venn bridge oscillator generates oscillations only if the gain of two-stage amplifier is more than 3. 7. The Hartley oscillator is commonly used in radio receivers. In a phase shift oscillator, we use dash RC sections 3. In the phase shift oscillator, the frequency determining elements are R and C. 10th, a Venn bridge oscillator uses dash feedback. Venn bridge oscillator uses both positive and negative feedback. 11th, the piezoelectric effect in crystal oscillator is. Answer A voltage developed because of mechanical stress. 12th, if the crystal frequency changes with temperature, we say that crystal has dash temperature coefficient positive. The crystal oscillator frequency is very stable due to dash of the crystal, high Q of the crystal, high quality of the crystal. 14th, gain stability in an oscillator can be achieved by controlling the gain. 15th, an oscillator differs from the amplifier because it requires no input signal. 16th, which of the following statement is correct regarding the Venn bridge oscillator? Answer is D. It is the stable sine wave audio generator. 17th, a condition for oscillation is a gain of 1 around the feedback loop. 18, dash is the fixed frequency oscillator. Crystal oscillator is the fixed frequency oscillator. 19th, in oscillator circuits, the energy feedback in the input terminal from the output is always in the phase with input signal. इसमें ऐसा भी देख सकते हो और नीचे 20 CD ऑप्शन दिया वैसे डिग्री दिए, तो इसमें 0 डिग्री भी दे सकते हैं, 0 डिग्री आउट ऑफ फेज विद इनपुट सिग्नल। दो तरीके में इसका आंसर हो सकता है, तो ध्यान से। 20, इन एन LC oscillator, if the value of L is increased 4 times, the frequency of oscillation is decreased 2 times. 21, the signal generator generally used in the laboratories is dash oscillator, Venn bridge oscillator. The oscillation must have the positive feedback. The gain of ideal oscillator is infinity. 24th, ultra high frequency oscillators work in the range above 30 MHz. 25th, the most suitable oscillator circuits for 1 MHz frequency is Hartley's oscillator. 26th, a Venn bridge oscillator is a audio frequency oscillator. The basic difference in Venn bridge oscillator consists of CE stage followed by CC stage. CE मतलब common emitter, CC मतलब common collector. तो common emitter stage followed by common collector stage. 28th, the Venn bridge oscillator requires the external pulse shift of 180 degree. 29th, the frequency for a Venn bridge oscillator is given by 2 pi upon RC. The Venn bridge oscillator is generally used for narrow range of sine wave generation. An oscillator can produce any of the above. sawtooth wave, square wave, sine wave, तीनों waves oscillator produce कर सकता है. 32, नॉन साइनोसोडल ऑसिलेटर. क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर एक ऐसा ऑसिलेटर है जो नॉन साइनोसोडल होता है. 33, which of the following is an LC oscillator? Crystal oscillator is not an oscillator. Which of the following is not an LC oscillator? Crystal oscillator LC oscillator नहीं है, बल्कि हार्टलेस, कॉल्पिट्स और क्लैप ऑसिलेटर LC ऑसिलेटर होते हैं. तो 34th, the sinusoidal oscillator is also called as harmonic oscillator. Low frequency oscillations have frequency range of 20 Hz to 100 kilohertz. 36th, one phase shift network of an RC phase shift contain dash inductor. One phase shift network of an RC phase shift contain one inductor. इसका आंसर नहीं है लेकिन इसका आंसर 1 है. Phase shift 37. Phase shift provided by one phase shift network in RC phase shift oscillator is 3 stage is 60 degree. Frequency of oscillation for 3 section RC phase shift network is given by 1 by 2 pi root of 6 RC. तो थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको इसका PDF चाहिए तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक डाल दूँगा. वो लिंक पे आप जाकर डाउनलोड कर देना. तो ठीक है, थैंक यू गाइस.